The chicken farming industry plays a crucial role in feeding the world, providing a significant portion of the global supply of eggs and poultry meat. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible scale of modern chicken farming, where technology meets agriculture to create highly efficient and sustainable systems. From automated feeding and egg collection to advanced health monitoring and even AI-driven robots, the world of poultry farming has been transformed by cutting-edge technology. If you're interested in how technology is revolutionizing the way we produce food, let's get started. Modern chicken farming operates on a massive scale to meet global demand for eggs and meat. Large farms can house thousands to millions of chickens using advanced technology like automated feeding, climate control, and health monitoring to maximize productivity and efficiency. In 2023, global chicken meat production was around 103.5 million metric tons, and egg production reached about 93 million metric tons, or 1.5 trillion eggs. Chicken is the most consumed meat, making up about 35% of global meat consumption. Both sectors are crucial for affordable protein, with production largely concentrated in a few major countries and driven by growing demand and efficient farming practices. Compared to traditional chicken farms, modern chicken farms use advanced technologies such as automated feeding, climate control systems, and mechanized egg collection to increase efficiency and scale. These farms focus on maximizing productivity and maintaining consistent quality while minimizing labor costs and optimizing resource use. While traditional farms emphasize animal welfare and sustainability, modern farms prioritize high-volume production to meet global demand. Overall, these advancements of modern farms lead to higher yields, better quality products, and more sustainable operations compared to traditional methods. The modern chicken egg hatching process begins with collecting and inspecting eggs, followed by placing them in incubators, where temperature, humidity, and ventilation are precisely controlled for about 21 days. Eggs are regularly turned to ensure even embryo development. Once incubation is complete, eggs are transferred to hatching room to encourage hatching. After the chicks broke through their shells, they are sorted, vaccinated, and sometimes sexed before being moved to brooding areas for growth. Then, chicks are fed a starter feed high in protein to support rapid growth, along with essential vitamins and minerals for bone development. The feed is usually in the form of crumbles or small pellets that are easy to eat. This streamlined process and modern hatcheries increases hatch rates, improves chick quality, and supports large-scale poultry production. Chicks are transported from hatcheries to farms using specialized chick transport vehicles designed to ensure their safety, comfort, and health during transit. Upon arrival at the farm, the chicks are moved to a prepared brooding area where they can acclimate to their new environment. To create a healthy and comfortable living environment for the chicks, farmers put a layer of rice husks under chicks in a farm. It helps absorb moisture and droppings, keeping the environment dry and reducing disease risk, and also provides a soft cushioned surface that improves comfort and welfare for the chicks. Chicks are fed using automatic feeders. They distribute feed along troughs or pan feeders, ensuring consistent and controlled feeding for all chickens. These advanced feeders can be adjusted based on the age and size of the chickens, ensuring optimal nutrition and growth. By automating the feeding process, these feeders help maintain a clean feeding environment, promote uniform growth, and support overall farm productivity. In 2023, global chicken meat production reached about 103.5 million metric tons, making it the most widely produced and consumed meat. Over 1 million chickens are slaughtered every day in the world, which required a large scale of slaughterhouses. The processing of chicken meat begins with slaughtering and bleeding the chickens, followed by scalding and plucking to remove feathers using a plucking machine. After this, the chickens are eviscerated to remove internal organs, which are either discarded or used separately. The carcasses are then thoroughly washed to eliminate any contaminants and rapidly chilled to maintain freshness and prevent bacterial growth. Once chilled, the chicken is portioned into various cuts, such as breasts, thighs, and wings, or deboned if necessary. The meat is then weighed, sorted by size and quality, and placed into packaging like trays, vacuum-sealed bags, or modified atmosphere packaging to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. Finally, the packages are labeled with important information such as weight, nutritional facts, and expiration dates, then sealed to prevent contamination. Quality control checks are performed to ensure safety and compliance, and the packaged meat is stored in cold storage until it is ready for distribution. Egg farms focus on producing eggs efficiently, using systems like cage-free, or aviary setups, and balancing production with animal welfare and environmental considerations. Over the recent years, eggs are a key dietary staple, with global per capita consumption averaging around 140 eggs per person per year. That makes farms responsible for producing the eggs that make up the total global output, as well as highlighting their key role in meeting the global demand for eggs and supplying the market. While raising meat chickens aims at fast growth and meat yield, with an emphasis on rapid weight gain and efficient feed conversion, raising egg chickens focuses on producing eggs with a setup that supports high egg production and often includes systems like cage-free or aviary environments. Global chicken egg consumption has been steadily growing due to increasing population and rising incomes. In 2023, global egg production was approximately 93 million metric tons, equivalent to about 1.5 trillion eggs. This large number could not be possible if it wasn't for the existence of modern technology. First, eggs are collected by an automatic machine. Conveyor systems use belts or rollers to move eggs from nesting areas to collection points, while mechanical collectors employ robotic arms or paddles to gently pick up and transport eggs. Once at the processing facility, eggs undergo various treatments to prepare them for distribution. Grading machines sort eggs by size, weight, and quality with the help of sensors and cameras. Washing machines clean eggs to remove dirt and contaminants using water and antimicrobial solutions. After some final quality check, the eggs are ready for the packaging stage. Next, they are placed into protective cartons or trays, typically made of cardboard or plastic, and labeled with essential information like size, grade, and expiration date. Quality control checks are conducted to ensure that only safe and high-quality eggs reach the market. After that, the packaged eggs are stored in temperature-controlled environments to maintain freshness until they are distributed to retailers or consumers. Finally, eggs are transported to stores, where consumers can buy and enjoy these delicious quality eggs. Thanks for watching our look into how modern farms use technology to produce millions of eggs and tons of chicken meat. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of modern agriculture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new content. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.